This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Victoria Eberhardt. This breathtaking 1.96-acre parcel of land nestled within Crossville's coveted Laurelwood subdivision offers an unparalleled opportunity to build your dream home. The gently rolling terrain provides a picturesque backdrop for crafting a custom single-family residence tailored to your preferences. Boasting prime location and serene surroundings, this property has been meticulously prepared for development, having undergone perc testing and a grid survey in 2023. Whether you're seeking a peaceful retreat or a spacious family sanctuary, 1.96 air conditioner Laurel Circle promises endless possibilities. Don't miss your chance to embrace the essence of Crossville living. Schedule a viewing today. For more information, review the details below or contact Victoria Eberhardt at 865-693-1111.